This is 17.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, मैं I guess 2 या 3 दिन के बाद I'm vlogging. I know continuity चल रहा है because I had previous week के vlogs right thanks to my travel vlogs. मेरे को थोड़ा सा buffer time मिला है. Don't worry, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं हूँ पीछे अभी. अगर आप ये vlog देख रहे हो तो मतलब almost हम आ चुके हैं timeline पे. And it gave me some cushion cause there's nothing to show. It's just I'm applying. अभी भी शाम को I'm starting the vlog cause something happening is gonna happen. So you'll see that. Oh my god, an old couple is coming from the front. I'm not pointing the camera, but they're looking so cute with the dog and stuff. So that's crazy. So what I was saying is that I'm going to one of the what you can say mobile networks companies here, mobile network company here in the US cause मेरा 1 साल का recharge खत्म हो गया, right? God insurance. So this month is all about expenses. That's why like पिछले महीने जो भी काम किया वो सब ये महीने उड़ जाने वाला है. So point is like I had to do the recharge. I was like, let's go and ask there because I wanted to change my phone cause why not, right? बाद में इसका कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So we'll see if I get a good deal. I might consider changing my phone with the plan cause US में like if you buy a phone with a plan तो like phone का price almost half हो जाता है. Is what I've heard. So let's see. And oh my god, क्या crazy view आ रहा है सामने से. And mobile plans in US are too costly. Like I have one क्या बोलते हैं ऑनलाइन ऑफर लास्ट टाइम हमने लिया था वैसे ही ऑफर दूसरे इसमें है. But I was like if I'm putting X amount of money so let's put some X plus Y amount of money so that phone का भी एक Z amount of money मिलेगा. So we'll see अगर सब कुछ बैठा अच्छे से and like everything falls in my budget so I'll go for a new phone. Otherwise I'll just do the recharge of that company and then उसके बाद I have to take some groceries and we are gonna play. So you'll see that in the vlog. So I guess कुछ exciting बनने वाला है. कल यहाँ पे international freshers party था and stuff. I was like I will vlog but वहाँ पे I was like for 5 minutes only. ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. Guys, people were eating pizzas and stuff. I was like no. So we played. So it's good. Day without a vlogging it feels like something is missing from the life. So I don't know कब तक ये चलेगा. Like I will try to vlog as much like till I can until unless it feels like a burden. अभी तो सिर्फ editing but I like पूरा दिन free तो नहीं होता हूँ यार. I am doing connections, I'm talking to people and stuff. So ये सब background में हो रहा है but I don't think you guys will enjoy that part. So इसके बारे में बताऊँगा when I will land my first job कि कैसे क्या किया था मैंने. But अभी के लिए you just enjoy the view man. So this is our local park. So what you can say like making connections is a different thing, following up with the connections is a different thing, and then leveraging those connections for your own not benefit but like my end goal is to find land my first job, right? उसके बाद तो everything is gonna be a cakewalk. First job is सबसे hard होता है US में निकालना and I will but थोड़ा सा उसके लिए मेहनत लगता है पीछे. So yeah, that's also an art. The finding job itself is a job, you can say that, right?
थोड़ा बड़ा है रे. This is 17. Pro. Best phone. New Pro Max यार. What is this? अरे यार. चलो भाई. Done with that checking the plans and stuff and finally I've decided to go with the online plan only. Recharge कर लूँगा because it was damn costly man. $100 a month I cannot afford right now. Afterwards. Strawberry cheesecake.
अरे के लिए ना कुकिंग क्रीम.
Yes sir. Chocolate cake. So after the last frame me and Abid we came home. We got बहुत सारा चीज़ cause मैं grocery store जाता हूँ मैं कुछ ना कुछ खरीदता हूँ cause I like to try things. Got some snacks. Milk वाला दूध. So had breakfast and stuff and I was just applying for an hour. It's almost 7. Vlog is rendering. Phone में edit कर लिया आज. That's crazy. So plan is to go to play pickleball and then swim. So ऐसे like 1-1.5 घंटा टाइम पास हो जाएगा भाई. 24 घंटा आई कैनॉट अप्लाई राइट. कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है बट लाइक पूरा दिन एप्लीकेशन से पूरा टाइम में यहाँ पे बैठा रहता हूँ अपने रूम में. So it's also not good, right? That's why I try to go out and try to be physically active. These days pickleball like we are pickleball पगलूज. Oh my god, रोज का 1 घंटा pickleball खेलते हैं. like आप vlog में 2 मिनट का शॉट देखते हो but like we play properly just shoot करने के बाद because and it's good to play right and कभी कभी लाइक दूसरे से नए फ्रेंड्स मिल जाते हैं, बन जाते हैं, एंड देन यू प्ले विद देम, लाइक वी लाइक टू प्ले डबल्स, लाइक मी एंड अभिनय एंड देन अदर टू पर्सन सामने, अगर कोई ना कोई मिल जाता है, बिकॉज लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग इन रेक नाउ, so it's good, you connect with people, you play, so that's good. Ayush has went to lecture, अगर जल्दी छूट गया तो वो आएगा तो we three can play, so let's go out. So that's the life after you graduate and look for the jobs. You just have to keep yourself physically and mentally active, because it takes a lot, like everyday rejections and everything. You like there are a lot of struggles with international students. I'm not gonna talk about that, and like this vlog is not for, I know I do rant a lot, but like it's my way of letting it out, right? Cause I like to talk with my vlog, so that's great. Now let's go before क्या बोलते हैं, sounding like a psychopath. Let's go and play. Crazy sunset is looking, man. Photo worthy है. Like every day, there are a lot of people in the pickleball. क्या बोल रहा है? It's time to play. कितना हुआ? 2-1. 2-1. Great dog. 4-3. कट कर देना भाई. 7-5. 8-5. स्कोर बता
11-11
ले जा कितने 7-11
हाँ
क्या
7-11
डन विद द पिकल बॉल मैन. ओ माय गॉड, ये ऐसा करते करते 1.5 घंटा खेल लिया हम लोग. अभी आधा घंटा स्विम करना है. क्रेजी भाई, दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. ऑलराइट, जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम द रेक एंड इट्स टाइम टू डू एप्लीकेशंस एंड देन वी विल फाइनली कुक. टुडे मोस्टली दाल चावल बनेगा, सो आई डोंट नो व्लॉग कितना बड़ा बन रहा है, बट आई विल ट्राई टू कवर दाल चावल पार्ट एज वेल अभी के लिए. तो आई हैव जस्ट पोस्टेड वन पोस्ट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. इफ यू गाइस हैव चेक्ड इट, डू लेट मी नो. लाइक दिस वाज अ गुड पोस्ट, आई थिंक सो. आई लाइक्ड इट. So चलो let's continue back to this and then cook and then we'll sleep. I guess 5-6 मिनट का vlog बना होगा, but this is how my life is right now. So there's nothing much happening. I am trying to cover as much as I can. Yes, I haven't freshened up. We got the surprise of this like fries Ayush ने बना के रखा था. I was like, ठीक है, let's have it in snacks. And then dal and then sheera भी था. I was like crazy because I like this sheera. It's one of my favorites. So on that note, let's end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and keep supporting. Exciting vlogs will come in future. No, there's no trip is planned, but like we might plan something or the other thing. पहले job पे focus करना, right? So thank you so much for watching and you have been a lovely audience. Thank you so much. Bye bye.